So first of all, we are given the equilibrium constant and then equation, equilibrium, all right? So reversible. They want to calculate the mass of ethanoic acid, okay? Which is this one, right? That must be mixed. So this acid, how much you need? Mixed with 2 moles of ethanol to produce 1.5 mole of ethyl ethanoate at equilibrium. So once we saw the reversible arrow and we know it involves quantitative calculation, we know we got to play either ice table or not the ice table. All right. So my question to everyone is, do we need the ice table here? Yes or no? How you know whether you need the ice table? That's always the first question. You know the ice table? We did before, right? So how we know we need the ice table? Huh? You don't know when you need to ice table or not? Anyone? All right. Very good. You got to ask yourself for every species that reactant the product. In this case, you got how many? You got 4 species, right? Do you have the equilibrium information? Usually the amount, if not its concentration or partial pressure. Do you have all of them? All right, at equilibrium. If you have, you don't need to proceed with the ice table. You don't have, you got to fill up your ice table. All right. So this is ICE. All right. Initial amount. I'll just go straight to the point. All right. I don't think you have all the equilibrium information. Now, then the question, why you need the equilibrium information? Because you want to play the case C. All right. That is always based on equilibrium information. Make sense, everyone? All right, whatever you put inside here is all at equilibrium. It's all based on equilibrium concentration and whatnot. So what we really want is this thing called the E. So in this case, all right, the units I choose to work is in mole, simple, why so? Because everything there given to me mole. Obviously, I'm going to use mole to work. So what do I know? I know that ethanol, they pump in 2.0 mole. I know that at equilibrium, I got 1.5 mole. Correct? So again, I want all the equilibrium information, which at the moment you don't have. You only have 1.5, you don't have this, you don't have this, you don't have this at equilibrium. So you definitely need the ice table. So what we're going to do over here, very simple. We got no other values ready. We're going to let one of the values there to be x, like all algebra. And which one you let? Obviously, the one you want to solve. All right, so I'm going to let this be x. From then onwards, I believe the whole question is yours because it's a simple molar ratio. Boring. All right. Initially, I won't have any products. Yes. And remember, I mentioned before, every time, once I got a column with 2 information, that is mine really, that question. All right? Because I know this is plus 1.5 based on the molar ratio, plus 1.5. Here is minus 1.5. Here is minus 1.5. Again, based on the molar ratio. And therefore, I have my equilibrium information. 0.5, x minus 1.5. Here's 1.5. And my job is just to fill it up and finish the question. There you go, which is here. First question, I go a bit slower. All right, later I will not write out the expression. For this question, I'll just say, okay, good practice, because if you don't put expression, they'll start to minus 1 mark a lot of times. Okay, so I just put in the expression.
Wait, they're all over the same volume, right?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Is it? Don't know. What do you think? All right, so all in all, what is this? This is by right 1.5, 1.5, right over left, right? So 0.5, x minus 1.5, and they tell me the value is 4.0. My job is find x. Once I find x, the more I find the mass. All right, something wrong here, though you get the answer. And someone just shoot. What's wrong here? I prefer to stand.
Where's your volume?
Yeah, where's the volume, right? They are all happening in the same beaker. Presentation-wise, please check. Du divided by V, everyone. Because it's presentation mark, you got to be very careful. All right. So the job eventually is to do what? Is to do algebra. Solve your x. I got no space. I come here, okay? I think this is a quadratic equation that you get. Would I? I don't know.
No.
No, I won't. Huh? No, there's only one x. Won't. So straight to the point. Yeah. So what's the x? There's no quadratic here. It's also x. X, my calculation show 2.625 mole. And with that, I can calculate the mass, which is the mole multiplied by its relative molecular mass. Ethanoic acid is 60. 157.158, yeah. Whole idea is just play around with ice table. No ice table, then it's even easier. Okay, go straight to the point, calculate the Kc and whatnot. It's not a difficult topic, just that when you link to other topic, then it's a bit more fun.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.